Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1042, trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am really excited to try out this Wander Beauty Wanderess Glow. So this is a universal champagne hued powder highlighter for face and body. This is in the shade After Hours. I think this is the only shade it comes in. I think it's a universal shade. I'm sure you already know that I love Wander Beauty. I try out a lot of Wander Beauty products and I am so lucky and grateful to receive a lot of products in PR. And this is a product that I got in PR, so I like to give that disclaimer that this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. This does have a retail value of $30, so I'm gonna keep that in mind because that's pretty pricey for a highlighter. A lot of Wander Beauty products are multitasking 2-in-1, and I mean highlighters in general can be pretty multitasking because you can apply it to the face, you can apply it to the body, you can apply it to the cheeks, eyes, but basically this is just a highlighter for $30, so I really want to see if that's worth it. So it does seem pretty big. The packaging is really pretty. Let's actually look at the product here. I mean, it does seem like a pretty big pan size. Love that there's a mirror, so it's a really pretty compact. I love the color of this. And so Wander Beauty is cruelty-free, gluten-free, mineral oil-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and it's vegan-friendly. So first things first, I have to do a swatch. Ooh, for a powder, it has that very buttery feel. Oh my gosh. This is such a beautiful shade. When I look at it, I can't really tell exactly what color it is because it's such a mix of different tones. Like I see gold, I see rose gold. You also get that silvery, icy reflection. It's a really unique and beautiful tone that I think works really well on my skin tone, but also the models in the pictures online were a range of skin tones, which it works really well for them too. And it has good pigment. Okay, I'm very excited about this. This looks so pretty. I can't wait to see how this looks on my face. So maybe I'll start off with a thin layer, and I am just gonna go ahead and use a fan brush to do that. So just gonna pick up a little bit like this and blend that onto the high points of my cheeks. I feel like, all right, there we go. That first application didn't really do too much, but definitely does layer up. So that's 2 layers basically, and that does look pretty. But you know me, I need some more glow than that. It is super blendable. And something that I really look for in my powder highlighters is smooth texture that doesn't create a streak. And I'm noticing right away just how smooth this looks on the skin and how it just really goes with my face and my skin. So it's not like I just have this line of glitter of highlighter. Like it looks like just part of my skin, like natural radiance, which is what I love. And I love that it's buildable, customizable. I really like how this looks right here, but I want to amp it up even more. So typically I just go right in with my finger to apply my highlighters because that gives me the most glow, and I love how this applies with my finger. It gets super pigmented, but then it's still so easy to blend out. And I really am impressed by this shade. Like I feel like this is my perfect shade, but the fact that it's also a universal color is like magical. It's such an amazing shade of highlighter. Like that just gives the most beautiful glow sheen to the skin, but it doesn't look chunky, glittery. It looks natural somehow, even though it is just so glowy and radiant. Oh my gosh, and I love this texture on my skin and on my makeup. It's so smooth. Holy moly, I love this. Go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. So this method right here, just how I'm going right in with my finger, is how I personally, quickly and easily apply my highlighter every day. And this one is so perfect with this application. Like, it blends out so seamlessly, has great pigment. Oh, I am becoming obsessed with this. Wow. It looks so beautiful. All right, and this is also a beautiful brow highlight shade. That looks perfect. And then even inner corner highlight shade. Look at that. So brightening and just so quick and easy to apply. This actually reminds me, it's pretty much a dupe for the highlighter that I use daily, which I've talked about before on my channel, which I had never even heard of anyone else talk about it before, but it's the Focalure highlighter. So I just double checked on my channel. It's called the Focalure Diamond Glow Highlighter in the shade Golden Crystal. And that is just my all-time favorite highlighter that I wear all the time. Like seriously, that's my go-to highlighter. And this Wander Beauty is exactly like that, from the color, the texture. However, the Focalure highlighter retails for $10.99 and it's pretty much the same size. So I think that the Focalure is a dupe for this Wander Beauty Wanderess Glow in the shade After Hours. So if you want to see my review on the Focalure highlighter that I'm talking about, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But seriously, for like top 2 powder highlighters in my collection, it's gotta be these two. And I am picky with highlighters. Basically, I'm at the point where I have tried out so many makeup products on my channel that I'm just gonna be picky with everything I try out because I have so much to compare it to, so much experience with trying makeup products. And for me to truly love this and have no complaints, I just think that really says a lot. This is seriously an amazing highlighter. I did see it on the Ipsy website, so if it's an option on Ipsy, I would definitely recommend it. I seriously think this is going to look beautiful on everybody. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out the Wander Beauty Wanderess Glow highlighter and what your thoughts are on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.